Look what I got.
Well, there goes our Saturday.
Well, they said it'd be easy.
Yeah, like last time.
Just
At least I'm
give
trying.
it to me.
Ow! Give it to me!
Wow, let's give it a go.
Introducing the all-new Almond 3 from Securifi. Place a few Almond routers around your home, and they work together to create a seamless home Wi-Fi mesh network, eliminating Wi-Fi dead zones. Ready to take your new Wi-Fi for a spin?
All right, I'm game.
Okay, it is the weekend.
Let's go.
Cats are the world's most popular.
Excuse me, some privacy, please?
Yeah, hey, my show's on.
Are you seeing this?
I know. It's beautiful. Barbecue Wi-Fi.
It's a thing of beauty.
Wi-Fi here, Wi-Fi here, and here, and here.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Yo, girl, we should hang out sometime.
Really, Dylan?
Bye-bye, Dylan.
Mom!
No more Wi-Fi for you, Derek.
Really?
Almond's Mesh Wi-Fi gives you fast, reliable Wi-Fi wherever you are in your home. It also turns your house into a smart home. You can control the Echo, Nest thermostat, Hue lights, and many other smart devices to secure and automate your home. You can even control them all from the Almond app.
Hey, did you lock the back door again? Are you still getting the game?
Alexa, tell Almond to activate the romance scene.
The Almond lets you control a single device or a whole bunch of them together, turning them on or off at the same
The
time.
weekend.
See, that was easy.
Told you so.
You guys changed the Wi-Fi password? You gonna finish that?
The new Almond 3. Wi-Fi made easy. Control your home. Control your Wi-Fi. Even if you can't control anything else.